What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's having a great day, and man, do I have a video for you guys today. In this one, we're finally gonna be unlocking the DSG in my MK8 GTI, and we're gonna be flashing Unitronic Stage 2 TCU software. Now, if you guys haven't heard yet, the DSGs in these MK8s have been unlocked now, and that's via some auto-tune software that select companies and performance shops have across the US, and I'm sure other places as well. So at the moment that I'm recording this video, Wookiees in the Woods is an event happening near Tail of the Dragon, which is only about 3 hours away. So there's a company called ACM Technik that's gonna be up there as well, doing some DSG unlocks, and they have been nice enough to slot me in. So we're gonna drive about 3 hours up to North Carolina for the Tail of the Dragon and check out Wookiees in the Woods as well. Now, that's not even the most exciting part, guys. The most exciting part is this is actually a part 1 video out of a 3-part video series where we're gonna take my MK8 GTI from its current configuration running Unitronic Stage 1 Plus ECU Tune, and we're gonna ramp it all the way up to Unitronic Stage 3. Yes, so by the end of this 3-part video series, we're gonna have a downpipe that we're gonna throw on the car from Unitronic. And then we're also gonna be running their Stage 3 2260S PowerMax Turbo. So we got 2 installs coming up in the next video, and the 3rd video is gonna be driving and impressions and all that fun stuff. Mainly just taking you guys along for the fun, showing you guys what the PMAX does in the MK8 GTI. And of course, we're gonna have to load their Stage 3 ECU and TCU software. But I thought starting off with this video here today, it's gonna be nice to see how their Stage 2 TCU software pairs up with the Stage 1 Plus ECU file that we have on the car right now. So I'm pretty excited for this one, guys. I got the car all cleaned up here, and we are about to set off for the Tail of the Dragon. So I'll meet you guys there. All right, we just made it to our hotel here in Robbinsville, I believe. And so we're gonna just kind of explore some roads here. This is Friday for reference. So we get the unlock done at like 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, Saturday. And then I think we're gonna go hit up that Fontana Village where the main event's kind of taking place. So I've never been here before for Wookiees in the Woods, so let's check it out. So we spent some time driving some of the roads that surround the Tail of the Dragon, and we decided to pull off and see some of the scenic views that they have as well. Absolutely beautiful. After that, we decided to go to that Fontana Village Resort and see what kind of action we had going on there for Wookiees in the Woods. Now, this event takes place over a few days, with the main event taking place on a Saturday, but there was still a lot of cars out there, some really cool ones to check out. So we spent a few hours looking at the cars, got some food, and then we went back to the hotel and honestly crashed out for the night, preparing for our big day tomorrow morning. All right, we're here. Good morning. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. All right, guys, we are officially at Wookiees in the Woods here this morning. We were meeting up with ACM Technik, and we're gonna be unlocking the DSG in the MK8. So I'm super excited. We got a couple folks from their team here that's gonna actually talk a little bit about kind of the process and all that fun stuff. And then we are gonna be installing Unitronic's Stage 2 DSG file on the car, and I'm super excited about it. Been a long time coming, so let's get started. All right, so we got Arian from ACM Technik here with us this morning. I think you're gonna be doing the majority of the work here, huh?
I think I'm doing all of it.
You're doing all the work.
They're making me do all the
I
work.
know, they got the whole crew lined up here, guys, but I think he's gonna be the man of the hour here. But yeah, I was hoping maybe you could kind of walk through a little bit of the process for unlocking the DSG, I guess. I know the auto-tune software is a must for this.
Yeah, well, the auto tuner kind of does most of it. Really, all we got to do is we got to get access to the gearbox connector. So if we come over here,
yeah.
Luckily, you got the beautiful Unitronic carbon fiber intake.
We got that on there, absolutely.
Really easy to get that out because we need to get to the mechatronics plug down on the gearbox. So
perfect.
We can start by taking the intake out, and we can get a look at what's going on down there.
Nice, I like this. I'm not even touching it so far. That's
yeah.
perfect.
I mean, we take care of the whole thing.
That's awesome.
I love this one. It just pops up and out.
Right out of there. Before we actually start the unlock process, I had a quick question for Arian. I wanted to know what the auto-tune software was actually doing to the TCU. What was the hurdle that had to be overcame to allow the TCU to actually accept a tune?
From what we've been told, it's really just removing the protections that are on the TCU that rejects software flashes.
Gotcha.
Because that's always been the problem. You could flash the module,
Yeah.
but the car wouldn't start. It wouldn't match.
Got it.
Start. And that's been the hurdle forever.
Okay.
So now that they have a way to say, oh no, it's okay.
Yeah.
Now we can put whatever file we want on it.
Okay, so now it's time to have fun. So we can actually do it here. So we got it. You got it set up. I didn't do anything here. So now, how long does this, I guess, process typically take for something like this?
About 3 minutes and 40 seconds, reliable.
Okay, 3 minutes, 40 seconds. So it should be pretty quick. All right, so it looks like it's done, eh?
Yeah, unlock patch is installed, and we can basically get the equipment out of the way and get ready to do an OBD2 port flash.
Man, we're making progress quick. Now, while you're kind of cleaning up here or moving this out of the way, you guys have been doing a lot of unlocks, actually, I think, here at Wookiees, right? Like, the whole week?
Yeah, we're on our third day of unlocks. We've probably done close to 24 of them this week.
24. Oh my God, okay. Yeah,
and upgrading everyone's ECUs and TCU flashes, so
Sweet.
Basically they can go out there and they can enjoy what these cars really can do.
Well, that's awesome. Yeah, so guys, obviously, these guys have been awesome. If you guys are in the market and want to get your TCU tuned or ECU tuned or whatever work you need done, make sure you check out ACM Technik. Man, they know what they're doing. So we're gonna wrap it up. We're not done here yet. We gotta flash the car, but it's looking good so far. All right, computer is ready here. We are into the TCU and we are selecting stage 2 DSG. So that's gonna optimize the drive mode gear selection. It's gonna show us the gear display. So we're gonna see what gear we're in, whether you're in drive or sport, I believe. And we'll dive more into that. It's going to increase the clutch pressure, which we definitely want, which I think you get with stage 1 as well, of course. Quicker upshifts, downshifts, and a few other things, but it looks like that's the one we're going to do today. So I'm going to click it right now. Okay, we just got done flashing the TCU and the ECU actually. So now we are on a full torque stage 1 plus UniFLEX file. So that'll be cool to test out in the mountains. And we're on stage 2 TCU file. And if I start it up and everything starts right, we did it right. That's a good sign, right? It's very nice. Very easy process, guys. I like it. All right, guys, we just finished up. Everything's looking good on the car right now, so we're done. We are officially stage 2 TCU, and we're running that stage 1 plus full torque ECU from Unitronic. So huge thank you to the guys at ACM Technik. Very cool, very professional, and we were able to get this thing done really, really quick. So if you guys are in the market to get your DSG unlocked, make sure you check them out. I'll put a link to their website in the video description for you. We're gonna see what it feels like. So let's go hit up the Dragon here in a few minutes and test this baby out. All right, man, thank you again for your time.
Anytime.
Yeah, I appreciate it a lot. I can't wait to get this thing out on the road and feel what it feels like. So
I can't wait to hear your first impressions.
Heck yeah,
Full torque, let's go.
Full torque, let's go. All right, setting off in the newly tuned GTI, pulling it out of the parking space there. Feels pretty similar, but it does feel a little different. Now I'm in just normal drive mode right now, and I can see the gears it's going through. It says I'm in D4 right now. So that's a really cool feature. I love that. But we're gonna kind of drive it a little bit. I'll get my impressions kind of down for you, and then we'll deliver a little bit more of an update in a few minutes once I have some time behind the wheel. So let's make our way to the Dragon. My absolute first impressions of driving the car with a tuned TCU is that everything felt more connected. It felt like the ECU and the TCU were talking to each other, and I was finally getting to experience that. The car knew what I wanted it to do in each corner, and sport mode was much more aggressive. which I didn't push the car too terribly hard here on the Dragon because this is my first time up there in years, and I just wanted to get a feel for it after doing the tune. But my absolute first impressions was the thing felt super connected and a ton more fun. Wow, it turns really nice in though. Like if you want it, it'll do it. Well guys, it's been about a week now since I've had the TCU tuned here. We are back obviously from the Tail of the Dragon, the Wookiees in the Woods event, and I've been driving the car back and forth to work. Just trying to get a feel for the car again here so I can kind of best articulate it to you guys. So let me answer the question straight away that I'm sure all of you guys are looking for in this video. Is it worth getting your DSG unlocked and tuned, whether you go with Unitronic Stage 1 or Stage 2, whatever? Is it worth it? And I can say 100% yes it is. 100%. The reason I say that is because now the car literally feels like it knows what you want it to do now. The ECU and the TCU are just talking seamlessly together. It gives you that extra confidence that's like, yeah, I can drive the car a little more aggressively. The clutches are gonna handle it. I feel good about it, right? And honestly, the best part about this is the car just feels complete. Everything just feels tighter, snappier, more direct, and I really love it. Now, because we went and flashed the Stage 2 TCU file, we not only increase the clamping force like you get on Stage 1, it shifts so much faster. You also get that with the Stage 1 TCU file, but what you get with Stage 2 is the remapped drive modes. So now standard comfort mode in this, or normal drive in the GTI, feels almost like what sport mode did without the TCU tune. If you're giving it a little extra throttle, it responds so much faster in normal drive. It holds on to the gears a little bit longer as well. And it just feels like it's just connected now. I love it. But when you change it into sport mode, that's when things get way more fun. Sport mode has been remapped as well, obviously, and it is so much more aggressive. It'll hold the gears much longer, and again, it just seems to like read my mind. It like knows what I want it to do, which is just fantastic. Also, whenever I wanted to really get on the car and have fun with it before the TCU tune, I would always go into manual mode, and I would manually shift the car because I didn't trust that the transmission would know what to do. When I first tune the car and you get on it, let's say in comfort mode or in sport mode, without the TCU tuned, of course, it would almost like get confused. It would be kind of like, I don't know exactly what to do. I'm going to give you the power, but if traction control wasn't all the way off and, you know, it wasn't the perfect situation, it could kind of stumble a little bit. It would pick up and be awesome, you know, but it left a little bit of a gap there. Now you can literally just floor the car and it just snaps into place. It knows exactly what it wants to do and it gets you moving. Like, there's no hesitation anymore, and I absolutely love that. Full throttle. Boom. It takes you right down to third gear, picks the lowest gear, and you just get out of there. So it is definitely a riot, guys. And to be honest, I'm super excited for what Stage 3 has to offer. You can see how it just kind of holds you there. If you keep pushing the car, it holds you at a higher RPM, which is great. So, absolute game changer. I didn't even mention that all the shifts are way faster too. There's no delay. Yeah, you just tap it, tap the pedal, boom, it shifts. There's no artificial delay or whatever. It just knows what you want it to do and it does it. Second gear. God, that is so fun. But yeah, guys, I totally recommend the Stage 2 TCU Tune from Unitronic. Absolute game changer with the car. And a huge thanks to the ACM Technik guys for meeting up with me at Wookiees in the Woods and getting the car unlocked. That was super cool. And thank you to all of you guys for watching. So if you guys have not subscribed to the channel yet, I think it's a great time to do so because I think you're really gonna wanna see the next video we got planned. Like I said in the beginning, we're gonna be going stage 3 with the car, installing Unitronic's downpipe and the 2260S Power Max Turbo. So the car should be rowdy, to say the least, after the next video. And I cannot wait to bring you guys that one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. We will catch you on the next video. Bye.